Hi, mates. My name is Mitchell. I'm a fashion teacher, and you are welcome to my channel. This is the shoulder line, the armhole line, bust line, under bust line, waistline, and the hip line. For the front neckline, the neck width is 3 inches and the depth is 3 inches. For the back, 3 inches width and 1 inch depth. The shoulder slope is 1 inch. On the waistline, mark half inch on both sides of the dart line. Do the same on the under bust. On the bust line, come down by 1 inch and connect the dart lines. On the hip line, measure 2.5 inches upwards and connect the dart lines from there. On the armhole line, find the midpoint. Then you connect the dart line to that midpoint like this. Extend the dart line by 1 inch. Then you form an armhole curve. On the armhole line, mark the bust circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch dart. Do the same on the bust line. On the under bust, mark the under bust circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch dart. Do the same on the waistline. On the hip line, you add 3 inches to the hip circumference before you divide it by 4. Then the hemline, you add some inches to it, like 2 or 3 inches to give it that A-line effect. But if you don't like that, if you prefer to make it straight, wherever you mark on the hip line, you mark it on the hemline. After that, you connect the lines. I'm not adding a sewing allowance to this pattern paper. Cut. I'll cut the front neckline. You draft the back pattern exactly the way you draft the front, but you make sure you add zip allowance. The neck depth should be 1 inch and you don't need under bust for the back, just the armhole line, the bust line, waist and the hip. Moving on to the cap sleeve, mark the length of your sleeve. On this part, mark the armhole measurement, then you make a curve. On this side, come up by 1 inch and connect. Next, you cut. Moving on to the collar, first you sew the front and back, then you measure around the neckline. Wherever you get, divide it by 2. You mark it plus half inch sewing allowance. The collar stand is 1.5 inches. On this part, you make a little curve like this. Then the main collar is 2.5 inches. On this side, you slant the line. The line shouldn't be straight, should be in a slanted form. Cut. The collar is 2, so after that you open it like this. We are going to make another curve on this other side, and in order to make sure that both sides are equal, I will fold it like this. Okay, I'm separating the collar stand from the main collar. So next thing I'm going to do is, in order to get that curve on the other side, I am going to fold it like this. Okay, I'll fold it like this, then I'll cut. So that's it. This is one part side of the collar. So I'll do the same with the collar stand. I'll fold it and cut. This is one side. You cut double of this, and don't forget to cut lining for both of them. Cut lining for the collar and the collar stand. Use your main fabric to line it. After that, you attach it to the collar. So for this flap, you cut a rectangular shape, double of it, then you sew all sides, leaving a little part to turn it. After turning it, you place it like this, you sew, then you bring it down, just flip it like this. You do the same with the other side. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Leave your questions in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.